Hey guys, I'm here with another review. This is Dog BlackBerry. Dog is whiskey made in my state in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The last video I did, I realized I said Tennessee. It's Kentucky. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I just got these little shots to try. I'm just now trying them. I get shots, that way I can test my personal preferences. And the one I did a little bit ago, the peanut butter, it was pretty good. It was not that bad at all. Yeah, BlackBerry, I'm a little interested to see how this is. I think it might be pretty good, honestly. But yeah, about 40 proof, about 40%, so 80 proof, so not too bad, especially for a shot. I think it's real cool. I think I do like the design. The design on it's really cool. Here was the peanut butter one I did. It just depends on which one you get. I think they're both real cool. But yeah, let's take and see how this is. Not bad. Pretty good blackberry taste. That ain't bad at all. Good whiskey taste on it. Good blackberry flavor. It's real good. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's a pretty good blackberry taste. Not bad. Yeah, I've been getting the shots. That way I can tell which ones I like, which ones I don't. Then I can get bigger bottles that last me a little bit. So far, not bad. I haven't had a shot yet of anything I don't particularly hate at all. So far, they're all pretty good. And the color of it's really funny, too. Yeah, not too bad, though. Yeah, real good blackberry taste. Real good, real good kick in the mouth, and not exactly on the throat, but in the mouth. It has a real good, what they would call a Kentucky hug. It's not bad. I could definitely drink that again. Both of them, actually. Really, really good. And I think they were like $1.99 a shot. Not bad. Yeah, I could definitely drink that again, no doubt. It's not as good as the peanut butter, but it's still pretty good. Real good taste to it. I guess apparently I got a taste for whiskey. I mean, the first whiskey drink I ever had was Jack Daniels. So far, this is, most whiskey I've had so far is pretty good. Yeah, not bad. It's really not that bad at all. Yeah, if you could tell, like, how easy it is to finish that. It's mostly, like I said, a shot. But for a shot, just to test your personal preferences, it is not bad. I definitely recommend it. Real good taste, Good quality. It has a real good kick on the throat. Yeah, I would recommend getting this. This is one of them. Like I said, I've been getting shots to test my personal preference. I could definitely get a bottle of this. Of either one, honestly. This was the other one I tried. Peanut butter. I could definitely get a bottle of both of these just to sip on for a while. They're really, really good. Without a doubt. So far, it's hard to tell which one's better. But they're both really good. I could definitely drink both of them again. But yeah, that is Dog BlackBerry. I'll do more reviews of random videos as I can. So watch out for them. And I'll take and see you all in.